Hello everyone, my name is Tahanas and today I'm going to give you an overview of how a web scrape data from the Taken World Tour website. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here I have the Taken World Tour notebook open. This is a notebook dedicated to web scraping for getting the Taken World Tour leaderboard data. Okay, so what does this notebook do? This notebook scrapes player data from both the global and regional leaderboards of the Taken Esports website, consolidating into a single data frame. Okay, the data has been taken for only the top 20 players from the global leaderboards and top 100 players from the global leaderboards and top 30 players in each regional leaderboard. Okay, so what the scraping process does is that it extracts player details such as rank, screen name, real name, points, and team name from multiple pages of the global and regional leaderboards. Okay, and then the global ranking and regional ranking has been extracted from these web pages as well. Okay, now I've installed the required libraries, which are requests and beautiful soup 4. As you can see, I've also imported the pandas library. As you move further, the first snippet returns the player info. This is the scrape leaderboard function. Okay. And this is the page attribute and region ID. Okay. Now, as we move towards this website, this is the website which I have scraped data from. As I right click and go to view page source, as you can see, it will take me to this page. Okay. Now, this page, if I examine this page, this HTML file, I can see that there are certain league IDs from 1 to 7. For our purpose, we have just selected this particular league ID, okay, taken word to a 2024. And there are several region IDs from 41 to 56. The global region ID is 41, whereas from 42 to 56 are regional IDs. Okay, so going back to the notebook. Now, after the HTML file has been parsed, what we do is create a list of players, right? And it ranks them, right, according to the web data, and it ranks each player. And this rank has been extracted. Similarly, the screen name of the player has been extracted. If we go to HTML file, we can actually see where the screen name is, right? Let me show you. This one is team name, right? HDF, and screen name is here. KDF, sorry, and screen name is here. Ulsan. Ulsan is a top Korean player, right? So I've examined this HTML file by myself, and then I found out some interesting variables which would be interesting for my data set. So I've selected them here. Okay. Screen name, similarly points. There is also a point attribute there in the HTML file. Now real name, for real name, there is a content area div and the class is empty. And when we select this one, we will get the real name. If there is no real name, if it is totally empty, then we will get the screen. Okay, it will return the screen name to us. Similarly, team name, I've also selected this one, and then I've appended all the data for the players. Then I've created a dictionary for the region names. As I've shown you earlier, there were several region names from 41 to 56, and I've actually matched these one with their values, and then created a dictionary for this one. Similarly, for global data collection, I have created a for loop to which will loop through pages 1 to 5, and the region ID is 41, which is the global leaderboards, right? And then it will append the data. We will get our data frame, which will have columns, rank, stream name, real name, points, team name, region, global leaderboard rank, and regional leaderboard. Okay, actually, we didn't need this one because we already had two columns of rank. This is my mistake. I can remove it later on. Anyways, this will give us global leaderboard rank, but the regional leaderboard rank for this one will be none. Okay, it will return us none because there is no regional leaderboard rank for global players in this particular ranking page. Okay. For regional, similarly for regional rank, we will get these similar columns. And for this, the global leaderboard rank will return none, and the regional leaderboard rank will return some particular values according to the regions in which these players are playing. Okay. Next, we will convert convert these values in the screen name to lowercase. Similarly, screen name in the regional dataset to lowercase as well. And then we will combine these two datasets by merging them using the pandas library. Okay. And the global leaderboard rank will be combined by using global leaderboard rank global and then rank regional. Okay. If rank regional has no value, then it will return us this global leaderboard rank global. Otherwise, it will return uh, yeah, this is what's going to happen. And then for the regional board, we will get the regional rank. These are the two variables of our new data set, our combined data set. Now I constructed created this function, which is construct region function. What we're going to do here is that if there are no null values, right, then we will get return this function will return us the region of the region name of that particular region, and then it will return global one as well. Okay, otherwise it will just return global. Okay, anyways, next we move on. Okay, this is not anything which is out of the ordinary. We just combined these names as well and then combined it into a new data frame which will have the columns stream name, real name, points, team name, region, global leaderboard rank, and regional leaderboard rank. Okay, now let me run this one. Running this one, it will take a little bit time. Okay, it's taking a bit time. Actually, took me a lot of time to. This code took a lot of time to execute because when I executed it the first time, it had some errors in it. For example, it was not returning the regional rank for all the players. Similarly, the global rank was not getting returned to me when there was a value in the regional leaderboard rank. So it took a lot of time. Okay, so it has been executed. Next, I will just execute this one. As you can see, we have gotten the head of the data, an overview of the data. And if I take a look at rows 25 to 49, you see here, we are, okay, so it is returning us the global leaderboard rank of the players as well and the regional leaderboard rank. Now, I've already converted it into CSV file, so now I'm going to convert it into, let's set the name as test and run this. Okay, what I want to now it has converted into CSV file. It has gone into my directory. Now, what I want to show you guys is very interesting. Okay, when yeah, this data, right? This is the new data set, which I've just exported from the notebook. I will just open Excel first, okay? Because the encoding is UTF and there are many players whose names are not in English language, right? So they are in different language. So what we do first is that we will just open an empty notebook, an empty workbook. Then from here, then from data, we will get data from file, from workbook, right? Let me select this and this. Sorry, this was it was CSV. It was a CSV file. Text CSV. Here, import. Now during import, let me show you guys something interesting. Okay, here. Now here I should set it as 65001, which is Unicode UTF-8. Now this will return me the correct values. You can see the Japanese characters are returning, are getting returned. The Korean ones are also getting returned. Now I will load this file. Okay, so our data has been web scraped. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That's it for today.